गुड मॉर्निंग, सलाम, नमस्ते। कैसे हो सब लोग? आज मैं फिर लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आई हूँ और जो पर्सनालिटी आज मुझे गाइड करने जा रही है, हर नेम इज़ एबी बार्न एंड शी इज़ अ फेमस यूट्यूबर। और उसने बहुत सारे वॉक्स किए हैं, बहुत सारे हाइक्स किए हैं और बहुत सारे कैंपिंग किए हैं, सोलो कैंपिंग किए हैं। एंड शी इज़ द फेमस पर्सनालिटी ऑफ यूट्यूब एंड शी इज़ द वन हु इंस्पायर्ड मी to come out for a walk and go for camping. So I mean, she is my big inspiration, so hopefully she will be in our group today और मैं आपको मिलवाऊंगी आज उनसे. So I'm just waiting for the group to come in and we start our journey.
Hello! I've never done this before, what? You're so colourful.
Nice meeting you.
You too. I love the colours.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think when you lost yours in the...
That's quite a little setup you've got there.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I always take my GoPro with me.
Yeah, it's nice.
And,
Which
yeah.
GoPro are you filming on?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Cool, yeah. I have literally everything in that setup.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Someone else yesterday on the walk had a GoPro as well. And I picked it up and I was like, this doesn't feel like my GoPro. And then mine's next to it and it's like exactly the same. I'm like, oh. Right, folks, I'm going to just get myself ready.
You don't,
We'll wait for...
You don't mind?
Of course not.
On
You
YouTube,
crack on.
Yeah.
Get creative.
Let me quickly show you the toilets. They are in the main parking. So this is the parking and this is the toilet. The right hand side is for men, left hand side is for ladies. They will charge you 50 pence to enter the toilet. And we were just behind the toilets waiting for our group. Trust me guys, I was so excited to see Abbie. I can't explain it in my words. My God. Thank you. That was a good one.
I can be filmed about the hard work now. And here we are on Grasmere, leading this wild walk, where the weather is lovely, the company is lovely,
And please subscribe to his channel.
yeah, please subscribe to spend more time in the wild. Hit like and share. It's fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Yay! Okay, they're all bad stuff.
Yeah, skin the ground stone anyway.
We didn't want to lose this moment, so we all had a photo shoot here. We are waiting for action.
We really are.
Hopefully you'll have to wait a long time.
Look at Abbie's adventure.
For me, that is one of the main things reasons why I like these low level walks is you don't have to get high to experience beauty. Yes, it's generally visual, but that's not the end of the world. You can tolerate people. See the rain's coming in a little bit up there. Anyway, the way we like to finish these walks is just with our little debrief, going around the circle, just sharing sort of how we found the day, what we enjoyed most about it.
Well, I've done that one fully enjoyed.
Well, as I say, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. James has just recommended me, so it's not something I'm generally like trying to push. It's just if it helps you. If you are looking for new kit, the brands that I do work with, I'm trying to like insist on affiliate codes so that you guys can get money off. So under where you clicked get involved, there's also a deals and discount page, which I'm updating frequently when I'm actually at home. So there's Terra Nova, there's a few other little brands there. So if you click on those links and you can use the discount code, some of them are 10, some 15, some 20% off, but obviously it all just helps like with the money situation, which is all a bit awkward at the moment. But yeah, aside from that, I have the wild store in the van if anyone wants anything, but otherwise I think we're going to make a general beeline that way to the cafe. There's the garden centre cafe, so you know where we crossed the road and went straight, so it's that big cafe there on the left, so we can either go together or meet there. Is there anybody who's going to imminently shoot off? We'll say goodbyes, but otherwise I'll see the rest of
I think I will shoot off.
Yeah? Cool.
Because it's raining and I need to go 2 hours drive.
Yeah, cool. We'll see you
Right,
there.
pleasure meeting you all.
Good to meet you, Ruby.
Nice to meet you.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thanks. Bye bye. Right, bye. Thanks. See ya. Alright guys, this is the end of my video, and just to sum it up, I just wanted to let you know that it was a pleasure meeting Abbie. I was looking forward to this day to meet her. She's my favorite person, and if you don't know who she is, I will leave the link underneath. You can go and visit on her channel. And yeah, I mean, she's a great person. Yeah, she made my day. I mean, all my life I won't forget this day. I mean, trust me guys, I mean, she's so lovely person. So overall, I really enjoyed this walk. I have never been on this side before. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.